Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, October 22nd, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening in math. You are going to finish our Chapter 2 test in Warrior time. Hopefully that was periods 1, 3, and 4. Got it done. Tomorrow, periods 7 and 8 will finish as Honors Math has practice 3.2 tonight. We also need to go into our Google Classroom tonight. There are 2 homework assignments to complete. First one is we need to complete the second quarter goals, which we have to go through and open up our grades, check out what they were for the first quarter, and do a self-evaluation to see what did we do well, what did we not do well, what can we improve on, what can we work on. We also need to copy the 3.1 notes into our journal so we are ready for class tomorrow. In science, we've got an assignment on atoms from Bill Nye, the science guy. And in social studies, there is no homework today as we had JA. Language arts, there is no homework as well. And in literature, we should be reading 30 to 45 minutes. We did have a library day today. Remember, November 11th is our due date for half of our AR points. It's going to be it for our homework this evening. Everyone have a fantastic Tuesday.